Let's draw water duck and learn colors. Hello everyone, welcome to Asma Art, the channel where you can learn how to draw, paint and colors amazing drawing for kids. My name is Asma and I love to share my passion for drawing with you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something fun and exciting to do on this channel. So, grab your pencil and brushes, colors, and let's get started. Red, brown, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, blue, yellow, orange, zoo. Coloring time. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Yellow, yellow duck. Duck watering, swimming on the water. Yellow, yellow duck, swimming on the water. Yellow duck, swimming on the water. Brown, brown, brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Purple, purple, purple. Third colors are purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Green, green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green. Blue, blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Watercolor is blue. That's all for you today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Asma Art, where you learn how to draw and color some amazing artwork. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative videos. And remember, you can always color your dreams. See you next time. Bye bye.